Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. So after Ritz-Carlton, I am here in Sheraton Maldives Resort and Spa, which is a wonderful place for everybody to come and spend few nights here in Sheraton. So just right now, I am standing here with the overwater villas. So just around me you can see all of these are overwater villas, which is the reason why people love to come to Maldives. The beautiful beaches with the white sand and the coconut trees increasing the beauty of the place, and definitely the crystal blue water. So these are the overwater villas which are the major attractions why people come and want to stay here. So even I have come for the same reason. I have got the opportunity to stay in this overwater villa, which is a presidential suite, and today I will be giving you the show round of the suite. So let's get it. The number of my suite is 001. So let's get it. So as soon as we get inside, we directly reach to the living room, which is big enough in size and very beautiful because of its white walls everywhere. So these are the welcome amenities hotel has put to welcome me. So I am really surprised to see this beautiful big basket of fruits and this bucket of Corona beers, some sweets here, nuts here, and these premium quality liquor. So the sofas are really very comfortable and make you feel so wonderful that when you are sitting here and enjoying the view of the ocean just in front of your eyes, it gives a different kind of feeling. You don't feel like getting up from here, which makes this drawing room, living room absolutely complete. The television also is there. So here is a welcome note for me. The hotel is welcoming me with all these tender coconut water and nuts and cookies and this sarong, which is a local gift for me. First I need to learn how to use it. And this Italian mineral water. With this, here is the bar counter where we can easily prepare cocktails or mocktails, whatever we like. This is the mini bar area. Now inside we have many different types of liquors available. Coffee making machine, kettle, M&M chocolates, nuts, everything for me to use. Some crackers are there, and again bottles are here. So now with this I'll take you directly to the most attractive point of this presidential suite. And now here we are out. So as soon as we come out, we are able to see the beautiful, most beautiful ocean, which is calling you every minute, every second when you are inside. You feel like coming out and spending some time here. So this is a beautiful ocean, this a sunbed where we can lie down and enjoy. This is a private pool for me. So whenever I want, I can get inside it and enjoy as if I am in the ocean. So that is the reason it is also called infinity pool, because it gives you the illusion that you are in the ocean, not in the pool. So here is the sofa there also. So these sofas are just made for our comfort. This is another sunbed where we can lie down in the morning or evening, at night also, and gaze the stars. Here is the net, which is very rare to find. In all the properties in Maldives, you will not find this net. This net is there so that the kids can lie down on it and watch the fishes below, under the water. And from here, we can directly get down to the ocean and again come back and relax on the sunbeds. Now there is another exciting thing in this presidential villa that has become the most important thing for me and rare to find, that is in the bedroom. Yes, this bed. Just look at it. So wonderful and amazing it is. Doesn't it look like a bed of the fairy tales? Yes. I was really excited to see the white colored net all around. And I'm going to open the net and sleep. So this is the highlight of this bedroom, which makes everybody excited about this presidential suite. From here also we have the access to the outdoor area. Okay, it's here. Directly we can reach the ocean. There is a small workstation area as well, where I can quickly sit and complete my unfinished work. With this, here is the walk-in closet. And the size of the washroom is really enormous, unbelievable. And this jacuzzi has made it more interesting. Who would not love to come and spend few minutes in this jacuzzi? Especially kids would really love to come and enjoy here. So this is the wash basin for him and her. From here also, we have the direct access to reach out. After using the pool, we can directly get inside from here and reach the washroom. Here is the shower cabin. And the WC next to it. This is a 2-bedroom presidential villa. So this is the other bedroom. So this is the other bedroom, which is really very spacious. You can see the hotel has written "Welcomed me." So it is welcoming you also. So the 2 extra beds are also put here so that if we need, it can be used. The television is there to enjoy, and the ocean view is definitely the attraction. So early in the morning when you get up and when you get to see this view, you really feel so energized. From here also, we can directly come out from the bedroom and enjoy the sunbed, or sit on the sofas, or take a dip in the pool. This is the washroom area. Washroom and bar cabin and shower cabin. And the bathtub. And the beautiful mirror to get dressed. Here is the storage area where we can stack our luggage. So the beautiful view does not allow you to get up from here. What do you think? How much should be the tariff? The tariff is around 4,000 USD. Yes, 4,000 USD. But I am not going to make the payment in money. I am going to make the payment in points. So for me, I am going to give 50,000 points per night. So altogether in 2 lakhs, I am not going to stay for 4 nights. I am going to enjoy my stay for 5 nights because 5th night is complimentary. So this is the secret I want you also to use. So start earning points, start learning how to earn, and follow me. And enjoy the view of the ocean in front of your eyes. How's the deal? Do you find it worth coming? Worth enjoying? Yes, it is worth enjoying. So don't delay, make the plans, keep watching for more videos, keep liking, subscribing my channel, sharing with your friends, don't miss any, because I'll keep sharing the details and updates and tricks which are really very useful for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.